Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moira, and for today's video, I am gonna show you what's on my iPhone. This is my new iPhone 12. I've shown this to you in the past couple of vlogs, so baka familiar na kayo. And now I'm just gonna show you all the apps that I use. So let me take off the case for a moment. Here is a close-up of my iPhone. Again, this is the iPhone 12. It's 128 gig. The color mint green. I really like the design. I love how it's so flat because the cell phone that I had before this was the iPhone SE first generation. So pareho silang ganito na flat. So at least sanay na ako. And then this is the case that I got for it. It's so cute! So lately, I've been obsessed with anything like leopard or cheetah print. So when I found this on Shopee, I knew I had to get it. And I will link it down below for you guys. They also have this design for different iPhone models, diba? And ang daming cute sa store na yun, I swear. And then this is another case that I bought for it. This is just a classic cheetah print. And I'm so happy that I found this on Shopee. So anyways, let me show you what's inside and let's get right into the video. Woo! Okay, so let's get right into it. So this thing is my wallpaper. I just saw this wallpaper on Pinterest. This drawing kind of reminds me of Vern and Ciso, who is my favorite fashion blogger. And also, kakakasal lang niya. Oh my gosh! Parang nasa college pa lang siya. Pina-follow ko na siya. Grabe. Anyways, let's unlock it. Okay, so first things first. On the top left, when you drag it down, it's all the notifications. On the top right, when you drag it down, are all the like utilities or whatever. Utilities. Sobrang arky. So this is the first page. As you can see, mayroong mga icons na mas malaki because I made use of the widgets. Ganon. Actually, tinuruan lang ako ng pinsan ko kasi hindi talaga ako techie kind of person. But the things that I decided to enlarge are first is the clock. Every day dito ako nag-a-alarm. When you open it, I have a lot of alarms because I like to take naps whatever time of the day it is. Kapag nilagay ko, hindi ko na siya dinelete kasi what if matulog ulit ako ng ganong oras? The earliest alarm that is in here is 5:40 a.m. I've been trying to wake up earlier so that I can work out in the morning. Hopefully, I can keep up with it. Chloe Ting, please help me. Next, we have my mail. Actually, I made a what's on my iPhone SE video like sobrang tagal na. Yun yung isa sa mga first videos ko. And yung mail ko doon, I had like 4,000 something unread messages. Pero ngayon, nilinis ko na siya. So, may 2 unread na lang ako. Okay, and next, we have the calendar and photos. So, for photos, video of my cousin, random plastics artwork. Ito, screenshot ko from a Chloe Ting video. It took me a whole global pandemic to work out. Same girl, same. Oh my gosh, Bernie Sanders memes. Tawang-tawa ko every time I saw it on like my feed or whatever. So this one is from Chicago, iconic. And then this is my favorites from Bird Box. Sobrang bagay niya dito. Oh my gosh, I love him so much. Then next we have the camera. Hi, hello, this is you right now. We also have this portrait mode na pwede siyang mag-focus. Ayan, studio light, contour light. Pwede din siyang widescreen, even sa video. And then next, we have my Notes app store, and then extras. So basically, this is where I put everything that I don't really use. Only things that I use here, ito, Flow. I'm not gonna open it kasi baka TMI sa inyo. But I'll insert a screenshot of what it does. So to all my ladies out there, you gotta download this. It's life-changing. So basically, it's a period tracker. Input mo lang doon lahat ng symptoms mo or kailan first day mo, whatever. And then, siya na nagpe-predict kung kailan yung next mo. So you don't have to stress over it. Apple TV, merong free na Apple TV for 1 year when you purchase an iPhone. But I haven't really watched anything in here yet. And we have maps and then the others. I'm not gonna get into them na. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that we bought this iPhone from Silicon Valley in Makati. I think it was the last stock na daw. So sobrang meant to be nitong unit na to. Next, we have the contacts and then I put a large icon for the batteries kasi wala na siya sa taas na makikita mo sana kung ilang percent ka lang, which is kind of annoying because I always want to know kasi kailangan ko na mag-charge na. So yeah, I put that there. That's very helpful. And then I also have a large widget for the weather kasi ewan ko, minsan gusto ko lang malaman kung ano ba yung weather. Okay, next we have Translate. This one, I think this is gonna be so useful when you're like out of the country. Pero paano ka naman makapag out of the country sa panahon na to? But anyways, it's so much fun. Try natin. Hola, hablo español un poco porque estudié el lenguaje en la universidad. Hello, I speak a little Spanish because I studied language at the university. Diba? Next, we have the settings and then speed test. If you want to check your internet connection kasi medyo weird yung internet connection namin ngayon. Nakakaasar na. Pero, OA 70. Noko. Ayan, bumaba siya. So yeah, usually it's around 30 Mbps if it's working properly. Then we have the calculator, very useful for my work. On the bottom, we have first my messages, and then the phone app, Safari app, and then Spotify. I don't really have playlists. I just download all the songs that I want to listen to. Nakakatawa because I have here the trinity of drama right now. Magkakasunod silang tatlo. Honestly, I stan them all. You don't have to pick sides. Sabrina, I've been following her since like Girl Meets World, so like 3 or more years now. Then Olivia and Joshua, since last year, nung nag-load akong HSM, TMTS, haba. Feel ko PR stunt lang lahat yan. And guess what? It's working. Driver's license on repeat. Also, this one, Lavian Rose by Ashley Park. She's the one who played Mindy in Emily in Paris. So, kung nagustuhan nyo yung rendition niya dun, meron siya sa Spotify. Pwede nyo i-download. Now, let's move on to the next page. At the very top, I have this calendar that I made from Widgets Smith. Tinuro lang din sa akin dun ng pinsan ko. So, basically, you can customize it. Made it na bagay siya dun sa wallpaper ko. Then, I have all the apps that I use almost on an everyday basis. Kung pansin nyo, wala na akong next page kasi gusto ko lahat nakikita ko na. I also tried my best to arrange it by type/by color para aesthetic pa rin kahit papano. Okay, so anyways, first we have FaceTime. FaceTime I don't really use anymore kasi usually kapag vid call sa Messenger ka na lang. Next, we have my social folders. First, let's go to Twitter. This is my Twitter account at That's Moira. You can follow me there, but honestly, I don't really tweet that often because Twitter is toxic. But then again, it has the best memes, so you can't get out. Ito, tinan nyo, merong nag-crochet ng Bernie Sanders. Sobrang natuwa ko. It's so cute. Next, we have Facebook. And if you didn't know, I actually already have a Facebook page, so you can go follow or like my Facebook page. Yeah, that's where I post updates and whatever. And oh my gosh, ito guys, hindi ko pa to ata nasabi sa YouTube channel na to. I've definitely overshared it in all my other social media. I got featured in Candy Magazine. Oh my gosh! As in, sobrang kilig ako when I got the message. I've collected and read Candy magazines when I was a teenager, as in, it was our life back in high school. So, to be able to be featured, sobrang kinilig ako. Dream come true talaga. So, thank you so much, Candy. I'll link it down below if you want to read it. Kung ayaw nyo, edi wag. Next, we have my Instagram. This is my Instagram page. Follow me at That's Moira. And I also have another account, which is moira.ootd. It's kind of like my Finsta, where I post my OOTDs. Next, we have my Gmail account and then my TikTok account. I'm at That's Moira. Recently, I did this one with my cousins. So much fun. Yeah, I'm still trying to feel it out, but TikTok's fun. Anyways, next we have Time Hop. Never ko na ito na-delete ever since I started using it. Because sobrang haba na ng streak ko na hindi ko na siya mapigilan na tingnan araw-araw ito. Muntik na ako magpa-DP shoot sa maling org. Totoo yun. Then we have Viber, Messenger, and then Pinterest. I like using Pinterest to look at all the pretty pictures. Ooh, burn book wallpaper. That's so cute. So my next folder is my photography folder. So first we have Afterlight. So this is what I use to edit my pictures on Instagram. What I use for my filter is Pearl, yung pinakahuli. And I like to like brighten it up, contrast, you know, whatever. So next we have Instant. So dito, you can like choose any picture. It's gonna turn into an Instax photo. Next we have Cam Scanner. Ito yung pinaka-useful, especially if you're a student. Yeah, sobrang linaw niya, especially if you need like for pictures or like for letters usually. We have Bitmoji. I love using this kasi I think my Bitmoji is so cute. It does not look like me whatsoever. Sobrang cute niya i-reply sa chat. Tomo, this one I found out from Kim. Hey Kim. And so basically, you take a picture and then magde-develop siya. So you gotta shake it. Shake, 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 shake. Ayan. And hanggang sa ma-develop na siya. It's so cool, right? PixArt, this one naman is what I use when I make collages. You can choose the ratio, portrait for your Instagram story, Facebook. So we have Widget Smith. Again, this is what I use to edit yung calendar kanina. Preview, this one naman I use for my Instagram para makita mo if like yung i-upload mong bagong picture is okay ba sa feed mo, ganon. button. Last one is Giphy for all your gifts. Next, we have my YouTube app, of course. Let's see kung ano nasa homepage. Oh my gosh, kasal ni Vern. Kailangan ko yung panoorin mamaya. This is my YouTube channel. Of course, you're watching on it right now. So what the hell are you doing? You should go ahead and subscribe to my channel. After that, I have my Merriam-Webster dictionary. Love having that around. Next, we have my ExpressVPN. I'll go back to that a little later. For streaming apps, I have my Netflix. I'm rewatching one day at a time, of course. Also, I've just finished Bridgerton, loved it, and Alice in Borderland, loved that too. Next, we have this, Disney Plus. So this is what I need my VPN for. So I'm just gonna turn that on so that I can show it to you. You can like choose a location. This one is USA, San Francisco. And then I can therefore access all the content that's available in that area. So since hindi available in Disney Plus sa Philippines, you're gonna need a VPN if you want to watch on this. VPN may bayad, Disney Plus may bayad din, although medyo nakakalito siya, nakaka-stress. So I recommend that you download Disney Plus if may kamag-anak kayo sa States na pwede nyong pag-sharean ng account para mas madali yung pagbayad. My faves on here are High School Musical, the musical, the series, so good. This is also where I watch Hamilton. I also love this, Into the Unknown, yung making of Frozen 2. Yung animation, so interesting talaga. Let me turn that off for a little while. For the next folders, first I have my games. The first game is Cooking Dash, although in-offload ko muna siya kasi kailangan ko siya iwasan, guys. Ayoko siyang laruin kasi ma-addict ako. We have Solitaire. Next, we have Charades. My cousins and I, we love to play charades. We also have Heads Up, which is another charades game. There's categories like, ayan, Game of Thrones or Friends. Ayan. Next, for work, okay, we have Google Drive, YouTube Studio. You can use this for your analytics and stuff. This is where I get to see the latest comments. So, lahat talaga ng comments ang kita ko. And I try my best to heart react to them all. We have Google AdSense. And then, these are the 3 apps that we use for video calling, whether for work or kahit sa friends ko lang. So, we have Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and Google Meet. We have the shopping folder, of course. We have Lazada, Beauty MNL, Shopee, Watsons, and Shein. Pinakagamit ko dito is Shopee, of course, hindi halata. Next app is Tether. Explain ko yun sa inyo maya-maya. We have the Grab app, of course, and then we have Monify. I'll just insert a screenshot from the internet because again, that's private information, but it's basically your wallet. Yeah, those are the apps that I use. Again, Tether app. Tether app is what I use for my Wi-Fi extender. Let me just get it. So this is my Wi-Fi extender. I got this from Shopee. Dito sa kwarto ko, medyo mas mahina yung internet, so I had to buy something to boost it. And yun, effective naman ito. So I used the Tether app to configure this. Ang cute niya, no? Isasaksak mo lang siya. Tapos ayun, may range extender ka na. So I guess we're moving on to accessories. Of course, you gotta have the charger. So this one we got for free with the iPhone 12, which I'm so thankful for kasi if you didn't know, iPhone 12 came a la carte. So wala siyang adapter. Ito lang yung meron siya, yung cord. Hindi na siya USB. Hindi na pwede yung lumang cord, which sucks. But at least they gave a free adapter. I also got this phone stand from Shopee. This has been very useful. Ginagamit ko to araw-araw. Kapag nag-work, ayan, nakaganyan lang siya. Diba? Sobrang social. And then ganito, kapag nanonood ako habang kumakain. Last but definitely not the least, this accessory has been a game changer for me. And it's this, the Realme Buds Q. Pagpasensya nyo na yung box. Nasira ko na siya. I love the design. It's so compact. I got the white one. This is the case. Then when you open it, those are the buds. It's so cute. This is what it looks like when you put it in your ears, as in. Tas ang ganda ng fit niya. And yung sound quality niya, sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. Yung sound niya, parang hindi ka naka-earphones, which is so nice for me. And then, pwede ko na din tong gamitin pang TikTok, gano'n. But guys, that is it for this video. Again, I'll leave all the links to like the case and all the other accessories down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you're updated whenever I post a new video. Comment down below what video you want to see next, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!